Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's been a long since I uploaded any video in this channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys a very basic thing and a very simple topic of C programming, the arrays. So this video is basically for beginners who have just started to learn coding in C programming. So I'll not be going in the very depth, but I will go from very basic to intermediate level in an array. So I hope you guys have some sort of knowledge about arrays and the use case of it. If you don't, no worries, I'm here to teach you guys. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, let me clear you for basic understanding. Array is nothing but it's a simple data structure which basically stores the integer value of the user in its indexes. So there are three types of arrays: 1D array, 2D array and 3D array. So I'll go with very basic one-dimensional array. So for initialization an array, you just simply have to write int because it stores the integer value, and then after put the array name. As example, I'm giving my array name ARR, okay, and then put the size of the array in this square braces, okay, and there we go. So this is the very basic initialization of an array, and here the size of my array index is 5, so it will store the 5 elements in the index 0 to index 4. I hope you guys know that array always start from 0th index. So let's store some value in my array. So first of all, let's write printf enter array so that the user will get to know that they have to put some value. And then we use scanf function to take the input from the user and store it in the ARR, which is my array name. So we are taking 5 values from the user. So for that we will use for loop here, okay? And let's write int I is equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. So this particular code will run 5 times, okay? And here I'm printing my array in number wise. So I'll write here %d, and here I want to print the value of I, okay? And also the very important thing, the value which user will enter will store in array of I, okay? So if the array of I is 0, then it will print enter array 0, and the user input value will be stored in the array of 0. If I becomes 1, then it will print enter array 1, and the user input will store in array of 1, and it will continue so on until the for loop condition is terminated. So these are the basic logic of for loop. I hope you know this stuff. So let's just print the stored value and let's see if it's giving same result or not. So for that we will use the same method as taking inputs from the user, hence we will use for loops here also, okay? And then remove the scanf part because we don't need to take input, we are just printing the results. So simply we will print the array of I. As earlier I said, this I is for numbering the output and this ARRI is index of an array, okay? So let's run this and let's see if it throws any error or not. So as you can see, it's asking me for the value. I'm putting some values over here and I'll tap enter, and there we go. So these elements are stored successfully in my array. So next, let's try to make a program which basically finds the maximum and the minimum array elements which I just stored. So for that, we first need to initialize a new variable called max, where we store the maximum element of an array, okay? So let's try it with a trick and assume the value of max is ARR0, okay? It means I'm assuming the array of 0th position is the maximum element in my array, okay? And after that, use the for loop to check whether any element is greater than array of 0 or not. So if there is some value which is greater than array of 0, then that particular array will become the maximum element, and this keeps continue till the for loop condition terminated. So as you can see, I have given if condition inside the for loop, and in the condition I have written if array of j is greater than max, then just swap the value of array of j to the max. So basically it means, let's suppose array of 2 is greater than array of 0, array of 1, array of 3 and array of 4. Then array of 2 will be the value of max. And after that I'll print this as here I'm writing the maximum element in this array is equal to %d max. And that's it. So I know it seems a little difficult for you, but if you do it by yourself, knowing the logic behind each and every line of the code, it will become nothing, just a slice of cake. Jokes apart, let's run this code and let's see if it throws any error or something. So as you can see, there is no error. I'm putting some values, so let's see the results, if it's coming correct or not. So I'm putting some values over here. So as you can see, the result is coming correct. So let's try one more time with bigger values and let's see. So my code is working correctly and we find the maximum element of arrays. So simply as same as we can find the minimum element also. Just have to change a simple relational operator in the condition part and that's it. So let this remain as your homework and you can share me the code in the comment section. I will check everyone's code for sure if it's possible. And if anyone having problem related this, then don't hesitate to comment. I'm just a one message away. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel to learn more programming stuffs. So see you guys in the next one. Keep coding.